There's really three things I want to talk about with Nokia Maps. Nokia Maps is available on Windows Phone for download from the marketplace. The three things I want to talk about are the views. To start with, we have three different views of maps. The Maps view, which is the default view. We also have the satellite view. It kind of gives you a bird's eye view of where you're at. Say you're in downtown and you want to know what's happening and get your bearings right, then this is the view to look at. And additionally, we have a really unique offering of a public transport view. So this view kind of gives you a idea of what are the public transport lines around you. In this case, we're in Vegas, so the only line available is the monorail. And as you can see, that's a line here. But if you had a map of, say, New York or Chicago, you would see a grid of all the train lines. So that's the different views. Now let's talk about a offering of what's happening nearby. So let's say you're in downtown, you want to know what's going on. You pull out a Nokia phone and you can tap on the nearby icon, and it gives you a quick view of all the things near where you're at. Now, as you can see, there are different categories, and you can either work with this view, or if you prefer a list view, tap on that, and you can see a lot of the POIs, for example, hotels, restaurants, and other categories. If you slide over, you can actually now search more by category. So let's say that you're looking for a restaurant, tap on Eat and Drink, and this view will now change to show you just the restaurants that are close by to you. Again, it comes with a list view, and with all the ratings, the star ratings, the address. So let's say that you want to go to a steakhouse, tap on that and it gives you directions, gives you a little thumbnail of where the place is at, some reviews. You can actually call them directly from here, more logistical information, and even an access to their website. And if you want to get there quickly, just tap on Get Directions, and it pulls up Nokia Maps and gives you directions in three different ways, and you can choose what works best for you. So in this case, we've defaulted to walk. There's also a car option, and in a lot of cases there is a public transport option as well. We also